Hi guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel, and I'm vlogging after a really long time. And by my attire, as you can see, I am going to college and it is right now 12:30 and I have an exam from 2. So I'm extremely underprepared. First thing, I'm extremely nervous. I've just had my lunch and I forgot to vlog the intro of this vlog or whatever, so that's there. So anyways, now I'll be heading out and I'm almost ready. Just need to tie my hair and off we go. Also, I'm like kind of trying to vlog a week in my life because exams are getting over. Maybe I'll go on outings and stuff, so I just wanted to vlog that process as well. Anyways, let's go.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
Hi guys, it's day 2 and I feel like I've not updated in a really long while. That's because I came back home yesterday and I was feeling extremely tired and exhausted, to say the least. My head was hurting really bad, so मैंने vlog भी नहीं किया. कल रात ऐसा कुछ किया भी नहीं. I had dinner and then I slept for straight up I think 10 hours because obviously I needed that every day. For the last 2 weeks I've been hustling so much. I really need that sleep. So right now I'm feeling much better. I just did my breakfast and ignore my condition. I'm looking really messy, but I don't really care. Today I don't really have that many plans. Actually, right now I'm just gonna go and edit some content, and in the evening I have my swimming classes, so I'm gonna go there as well. Other than that, I have no such other plans for today. Tomorrow I might be going out with my friends, so I'll vlog that if that happens in case. So I had ordered like a gift box for my friend Gargi from Smitten and it has finally arrived. Let's see what's inside. Actually, it was her birthday, so I kind of ordered a few minis and I think I'll be gifting to them. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Very cute. So I'm gonna have to package it now.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be?
Checking in after some time. I just got done with lunch and I had like a brand shoot which required this orange thing. It's for the Dot & Key sunscreen, so I just got done with that. I was just really like a 5-minute thing. I just had to apply the product on my skin and you can see the glow is unreal. And this is not sponsored. I genuinely do love this product and I've been using it every day. It's just so good. As you can see, it's right now almost 3. I'm gonna go get a nap, like get some rest, and then I have my swimming classes in the evening, so I'm gonna have to go for that as well. It is almost 6 PM and I'm going out for my swimming, and this is my swimsuit, and मैं जहाँ सीखती हूँ ये वही का swimsuit है, काफी modest in my opinion. This is the dress that I'm wearing on top and I've headed out.
So blind. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
I just got done with swimming. I did not vlog much because of course I was swimming when phone allowed नहीं था. Hey guys, it's the next day to this very random vlog. I don't know क्या मैं vlog कर रही हूँ, क्या मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. It's really all over the place right now. But today I'm gonna be going out with my friends to Lake Mall. We are going to watch some movie which is called Munjya. I've not yet watched its trailer or anything, but we are going. It's okay. I'm going with Ishani and Gargi, my college friends. And bus, there's no other plan like that. No shopping, nothing. Just a normal movie date. And of course exams are over, so we will go out and hang out of course. So anyways, that's the plan for today, and maybe shayad I'll again go for swimming directly wahan se. I'm planning on wearing this shirt. This is actually my mom's shirt, and I also wore the same exact outfit in Kerala, but this looks really stunning. It's quite sheer. You can see like my fingers right through the fabric, but I just love this shirt. Tata!
Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I?
anything for this vlog. Actually, I came to Lake Mall with my friends to watch Munjya. Honestly, nice movie, not gonna complain, काफी अच्छा था. And we have just had lunch and now we're at Zudio to try out some clothes, and I'm gonna be trying this out and seeing if it fits me or if I wanna even purchase it. So let's do that. I doubt you guys can hear me now, but I am going for my swimming lessons. I went to my friend Sam's house and now I'm going to my swimming. This is this pass mein hai. So guys, that's it for this video, and I know that this vlog was really random and all over the place, and honestly I am at kind of such a point in my life where filming feels like a struggle. So I know that this vlog was not like 100%. मैंने अपना full effort दिया, and I totally agree with that, but I'm trying to get back up on my feet and put in more effort into my content, because you know it's really, I'm like not here to rant, but it's really disheartening that if you put in the effort and there's no views, no likes, no engagement, it just breaks your heart as a creator. And literally everyone under the sun today is a creator. I don't know, I just don't feel like ranting. It doesn't feel good on my part. But anyways, I promise you guys I'll bring more fun and entertaining content to the 100 viewers who keep watching me. It means a lot to me. Thank you for sticking by. That's it for this weekly vlog. I'll meet you in my next one. Bye.